Okay, so this video is going to be practice with word problems and solving exponential equations. So here's the first problem here. Pause the video, try it on your own, and then come back. Okay, welcome back. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to read through this problem and look for keywords. Andrew decides that he wants to start saving money for college. He starts off with $4,000, like that he made from working over the summer. If he found a bank that compounds continuously at a rate of 8%, how many years will it take him to have 5,000? So I see the compounds continuously. I immediately know I'm going to use my PERT equation. This one right here. Okay, we're solving for how many years, so I know I'm solving for this t here. So now I'm going to plug everything in. So my final was 5,000. I plug that in. It's equal to my initial, which was 4,000. My rate, which is 0.08. My t, which I'm solving for. Okay, now I just solve for t. So I'm going to start by dividing by 4,000. Okay, this gives me 5 over 4 equal to 0.08 t. Okay, I'm going to flip this around so I can use my log scale. Okay, base here. Going from an exponential to a log, so I go to a log. E 5 over 4 is equal to 0.08 t. Divide by 0.08. Okay, I can rewrite this log base c as the natural log, so I have the natural log of 5 over 4 divided by 0.08 is equal to t. Okay, now I just plug this into my calculator. So I plug in natural log of 5 over 4 and then divided by 0.08. So there I get about 2.79 is equal to t. So about 3 years. There's my answer. Okay, so there's the first one. Second problem, this one. Go ahead, pause the video, try this one on your own, and then come back. Back. So the first thing I notice is my bases are not the same, but I'm going to try to make them the same. Yeah, I can multiply these two. So now I have 4 minus 16. Okay, now my bases are the same. So I can set my exponents equal. Oops, sorry. Like this. Here it is 16. Now I get this equal to 0. I'm going to add the 0. I can factor this as x plus 2 equal to 0. Set both of them equal to 0. I get x is equal to negative, and x is equal to negative. That's my answer.